Hey person out there, I'm Jiovanni Cintron, I'm 18 years old, and I started this YouTube channel at 14, right after I got saved, because at first I was very convicted about spreading the gospel, getting truth out there, and to impact society in the best way I can. Now, if you're watching this, you probably don't know me or don't know anything about this channel. You probably don't know what to expect. Well, let me tell you some stuff that I want to do, and hopefully I do to the best of my ability with Jesus. I've been seeing a lot of stuff going on just in society. I was born in 2007 during the beginning of the smartphone era, the beginning of the internet, really already kind of getting a couple of little baby steps. And we're living in a generation where we're all addicted. Doesn't matter if you're old, doesn't matter if you're a teenager, doesn't matter if you're Gen Alpha. But I will say we're the first generation, and we're finally actually becoming adults, that we were born into this. And it's a little scary for some, but I think it's a weird tension where people are addicted, but this is the biggest evangelism tool to spread the gospel. And I know that you guys know that. There's been politicians, there's been pastors, YouTubers, musicians, so many things going on in the podcast landscape, in the music industry, in Hollywood. So much of Christianity actually has been pushed to the mainstream during the last couple years. Usually kind of getting closer during COVID times when everything just popped open the lid. I think Jesus is doing something. Obviously, Jesus is doing something every single year. Every decade, people believe that there's going to be a revival, and we shouldn't not expect that. But I will say that there is going to be a great move of God, especially using us in our modern ways of doing stuff. So there's going to be music reviews, reactions. I want to make music. Let's see if that works out. I really do. I want to be creative. I want to make t-shirts to edify people. There's going to be so much different content out there. We have evangelism, discipleship, teaching videos that I want to make. Obviously, this is something that, you know, I'm still learning too, so I have to be careful, but that's with all of us. So there's going to be so much stuff that God is going to do through Gen Z, but through anyone. Doesn't matter if you're old or young. This channel is to edify you. I want you to watch a video and be like, oh shoot, I learned something. I got closer to Jesus because of that. Oh, I just got excitement so I could go out and do the same thing. Oh, I'm wearing this so I could actually show my faith on my shirt and have people talk to me. But genuinely, the internet is one of the biggest ways that we can spread the gospel. And doesn't matter if I get a couple views, if I ever become famous or not. I really don't care. If at least one person saw my video, then I'm good. This is just a walk of obedience. We'll see where it goes here, but I'm so excited for what God's gonna do. I hope you guys are too. If you have any ideas for content, if you have any comments, put them in the description below. But 2026, 2027, 2028, whatever year you're watching this in, I'm telling you, God is gonna do great things, stuff I can't even think or imagine right now. Love you guys. Have a good one.
Deep in the word, I be studying hermeneutics, working on being the man of my word. Say I'ma do it, I gotta do it. G.O.D. be in the kitchen, I'm letting them cook on my life just like Ratatouille. No, I am not Peter Griffin, but I am a family guy, I ain't acting Stewie. Gave him all, put my back into it. Praying for wisdom, ain't acting foolish. Every day I'm trying to be a student, ain't trying to do what the world doing. Take everything that I do in this world, I flip it, I do it the God way. Flip it, I do it the Yahweh. I was falling asleep on the highway, God woke me up. Got his grip and his tuck, Yahweh, I be lifting him up. One day without God, I feel weak, like I ain't lifting him up. Lifting him up.